We are currently waiting in this long line, but the line is super long, so we're gonna be here for a while. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Thursday, but this Thursday does happen to be New Year's Eve, so it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know. About to be here forever. Okay, so apparently we're in the dog-friendly rooms. Oh, dog-friendly. That's nice. 5'9", right here. Thank you. I went the totally wrong way first. All right. Light switch. Oh, wow. That's the light switch, guys. Oh, boy. First impression. Dang, it's so dark. You gotta turn these on old school way. Well, here's our view. Uh-oh, high roller. Oh no, I think that looks like old. I guess that's where the flamingos are. Oh my gosh. Okay guys. I'm gonna start back at the beginning in this dark room. Okay, this is the door. There's not much to see here. I feel like I'm at the Motel 6 damn near. Here's the closet. Let's check the bathroom. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. This is a far stretch from the Hilton Alara we were just at. Hi, guys. We've got a little essentials, towels, tissue. I mean, it is a basic room. It is what it is. I like the little bench, 2 nightstands, rug, nice floors. I mean, we're gonna take it for what it is. Look at this. Okay. I need more lighting. I'll be back, guys. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day and I'm feeling a little bit better about the room. It does not get that bright at all. So let me go ahead and give you guys a look with every light on, how it looks. I did close the curtains because I was getting dressed. It is nighttime. So let me show you guys how it looks. Let me flick the camera around. Okay, so I'm at the door. Flamingo. This is just the basic, like, cheapest room. It's New Year's Eve and I booked it this morning. So, I mean, it has a little safe. It has an iron. There's no light in there. Ironing board. Nice mirrored closet. What's up, guys? And let's see here. There's the TV, there's the dresser. Again, it's later in the day, so the room's not super clean. But here's the view. Bed. Nightstand. Nice little ottoman, I guess you'd call it. And then we've got a desk. That's about it. Yeah, I told you, New Year's Eve. You wouldn't be New Year's Eve without the champagne on ice. But let's see. Another mirror. Okay, let's take a look at the view in the nighttime. It's not gonna be easy to see because I don't have the lights off, but I mean, you can already tell that the high roller looks great. All right. Let me turn you around. Okay, so not too much to it, but you know what? Would it look cuter if I was sitting with the view behind me? Ooh. Yes, okay, views. It's not the best, but I mean, it's not the worst. When I first came in, I don't know, I was just shocked because like the hallways look older, you know what I mean? The room is really, I stay in big rooms because I have kids. So this is perfect. It's just me and my husband sleeping here, but we have friends that are out here on the strip as well. So we've been kind of coming back and forth to the room, to the bar, to the casino, stuff like that. So it's cool. It was $143, then the resort fees. I had to pay $164 up front when I booked the room this morning. And then when I came in, the total was $204. I know that. And then they put $100 and something deposit on my credit card. Matter of fact, honestly, I think the deposit that they put on my card was only $100 because they put, it ended up being $100 and something. And I know I only paid $164. So the balance, whatever is on there. So not bad. But when you think about it, if you go look at my last room review, it wasn't New Year's Eve, but it was Christmas. If you go look at my last room review, sorry, I'm shaky because my arms are tired. I've been walking a lot. When you go look at my last room review, it was a huge suite, jacuzzi suite, Hilton Alara for $240. And I paid $204, I think, for this room. So that's where the disappointment came in. But guys, I had to remember, take a step back. My husband came in, he's like, there's nothing wrong with this room. This room is perfectly fine for what we paid. I'm like, yeah, that's true. So it's nice. And it's the basic room at the Flamingo. What I'll do is I'll give the Hilton another chance and, you know, maybe get a better room next time. One thing though, this is not the room that I booked. I'll tell you that. So they had 3 rooms for $143. They had this one. They had another one that had like a white headboard, and it had a white headboard. That's the only thing I remember the difference, because I looked at this one and the furniture was dark, and then I looked at that one and the furniture was light. Literally, it was the same square footage, same view. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pick that one. And they gave me this one, so no big deal. It was the same price. If this one would have been cheaper and they gave it to me, then that would have been a big deal. But it's nice. Whew. It's super crowded out here. That's why I'm up here, honestly. I just keep kind of going down and coming back up. Too many people. You know, we got COVID. I got babies at home to worry about. So I'm gonna just chill. My homegirl's on her way from her house to come up here. But yeah, that's my review. Real quick intermission. I just found something that I did not like, and it's not something that I'm used to, and I do kind of stay at hotels a lot. So you know, we pay resort fees, right? And you know, the resort fees are supposed to be for the amenities and, you know, the Wi-Fi and the phones, like we're going to be using those ancient phones. But anyway, I just logged into Wi-Fi because my phone was acting crazy, and it is free for 2 devices, okay? And after that, it's like $14.99 a device for 24 hours, something like that. Typically, when I come, I'll have my, I hate when I just say all the time, like talk. I'll have my MacBook, my phone. My husband will have his phone. So that's already 3. If we happen to have any kids with us, they all got their own phones. They got iPads, all that. So that's not gonna work with me. I don't know if it's because I'm in this like basic room or if that's the normal thing, but I don't like that, Flamingo. Get that together. At the Hilton, why do I keep calling it the Hilton? Did I call it the Hilton before in this video? I'm old, guys. I remember when this was the Flamingo Hilton, so of course it's stuck in my mind. It's the Flamingo, okay? Right on the strip. They want the real pretty fluorescent stuff. Let me show you the sign. Okay, let's not get it wrong, Corey. It is the Flamingo. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are all enjoying yourself on this beautiful, nice New Year's Eve, getting out of 2020, coming to 2021. Yes, I hope you guys are all blessed, and I just hope that this year brings better times for everyone, blessings, and all of your wishes come true. Bye.